Here's how to get the best quality output settings in HandBrake. First, create a custom preset so you don't have to redo these settings every time. Click the Presets button, select Add Preset, give it a name like YouTube Renders, and save it. This is important, especially if you're working with resolutions above 1080p, since the built-in presets don't go higher. Go to the Dimensions tab and make sure the resolution is set to same as source, so HandBrake keeps your original resolution, whether that is 1080p, 1440p, or 4K. Now go to the Video tab. This is the most important section. Set the video codec to H.264. Set the frame rate to same as source and make sure constant frame rate is selected for the most stable output. For the quality slider, set it to 18. This is the sweet spot between maximum quality and manageable file size. Going below 18 will not give you any visible quality improvement, but will significantly increase your file size. Set the encoder preset to slow for the best compression quality. Go to the Audio tab and make sure your audio bitrate is set to 320. Click Browse to choose your save location, make sure the file extension is set to MP4, then click Start Encode. The results are dramatic. A 5 GB file can compress down to under 150 megabytes with absolutely no visible quality loss. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.